So here we are on the Saturday afternoon of Armour Embarkation 2026 as the convoy makes its way into Dorchester, having started off in the morning and gone across country and through Morton Ford and round the forest and then to Bovington Tank Museum, and now they make their way into the town centre. And you can see some interesting vehicles here, and my interview with Liam later will show this one is Mac NO and the Long Tom gun. As you can see, I've just repeated it from two different camera angles because I was recording with the Osmo 360 and the Action 4 camera. We've got a fair mixture of vehicles and tanks and tracked and half-tracked and recovery vehicles, probably troop carriers, obviously the half-tracks, two different kinds of half-tracks. One I believe is international, and one I think is made by White. There we go. Now we're going to hear from Liam and he's going to explain to us about his Diamond T and his Mac NO plus the Long Tom gun. This was completely unscripted and off the cuff.
So we've got Diamond T 980. It's quite an early serial number, this one. It's got a 15 litre Hercules diesel in it, which is wartime, all correct. Primarily used as a tank transporter by the British and the Americans. Primarily towed the Rogers trailer. It's got a winch behind the cab that you can pay out over the trailer, used for recovering stricken tanks. It's 4x6, it's only driven rear bogie. Very, very low geared, top speed of about 20 mile an hour, but will pull a house down at the same mark. Yeah. It's probably about all I can tell you on that.
So I should have introduced this is Liam, and he's telling us all about his Diamond T, and now we're going to go and he's going to find out all about his Mac and the Long Tom.
So what we've got here is a wartime Mac NO, 7.5 ton prime mover. It's got a Mac EY petrol engine, so straight 6 petrol. This truck is 6x6, so all 6 wheels are driven, and the only purpose of this truck was to move the 155mm field gun Long Tom.
I'll squeeze round, please.
So we might get. This is the 155mm Long Tom. It was sort of nicknamed, and this is field artillery.
It's a very impressive sight when it's all unfolded, isn't it, Liam?
It's a very impressive bit of kit, yeah. I believe it's about a 7-man gun crew.
Right.
When it's going to be set up to its firing position, the barrel is pulled forward, locked into the recoil. These trails are spread. There's various spades sort of stowed on it at the moment. Spades are bolted underneath it and around it. The gun is lowered to the ground, and then obviously the barrel can elevate, and you've got your working sort of platform.
Yeah. I remember your dad bringing it in the country about the time when Saddam was kicking off.
That was it. So it was brought in from Belgium live the day before the Iraq War broke out. He brought it in, welded the plug in the barrel, did the necessaries, got rid of the firing pin, and then a man from the London proof house come and proof stamped it, and we had a deactivation certificate.
Great.